Hello guys, it's me Masha from TechMash. So today I am at Calgary, Alberta. It's like -2 here in Alberta right now. So this is the best time to talk about the bunk heater. So, there are many people don't know about the bunk heater. It's already inbuilt in the truck. So today I'm going to demonstrate how to operate the bunk heater in these trucks. Okay. For this I'm taking Volvo 860. It doesn't matter whether you're driving 860 or 760, so you just follow this instruction what I'm showing it. Okay, make sure first thing you have to do, make sure your ignition is off. Then you have to go to your parking brakes. If you have trailer, you make sure both brakes are applied. Then you have to go to the sleeper cabin to the control panel. When you come to the control panel, you have to press menu 1, 2, 3 times, then on, set it. So now you can see your bunk heater is working. So when you have to turn on it, they go through the same off, set it. So then it's gonna turn off it. This is how you need to do it. This video helpful to you or your friends. Please share to them and subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.